brake is firm. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. Everything comes on. Then press the button again. Everything comes on. AC comes on. I'm gonna turn off the AC. There's the brake is on. The brake is not on. Okay. The brake is still firm. Now let's start. It goes off. There's no key detected, but the key is in the car right here. So push it in the slot. And the slot. Try it again. That comes on. AC off. Says press brake. Says the keys inside. Everything. The thing over there went off, and everything else went off. Now, try it again. Just blipping. So, light test. Okay, off there. Light test. The light comes on. Now it's blinking. Uh-oh. Like something's about to explode. Off. Hey, off. Oof. That's scary.